Did you know that 7% of people who click on a campaign email go on to complete a purchase? And did you know that number jumps to 34% for automated emails? So just imagine the impact of your sales if you could only get more people to click. But how do you do that? When it comes to email marketing, the best way to increase clicks is to write compelling calls to action, or CTAs as they're known. Today, I'm going to cover some tips, suggestions, and examples of CTA phrases that can help guide you to create your own clear and compelling calls to action. But before we begin, be sure to click the subscribe on our YouTube page so you don't miss other helpful videos just like this one. Call to action phrases. Calls to action need to be clear and compelling, especially in e-commerce marketing, where the right CTA can be the main driver of revenue. Let's start by looking at a few email CTAs that encourage consumers to make a product purchase. These include shop now, order now, get 50% off, buy it now, add to cart, yes, I want one. Yeah, I know this last one doesn't tell you what to do, but it does put the recipient in a want it mindset. And there's only one way for them to get what they want, and that's by clicking. Email CTAs to encourage shopping. Want to encourage some browsing product exploration, such as shopping for new products? Try these. Shop our best sellers. Get the style. Check the new collection. View personalized recommendations. Shop my style. Email CTAs for collecting customer feedback. Collecting feedback from customers can be challenging, but gathering social proof is immensely valuable for e-commerce brands. Here are some good email CTAs for collecting customer feedback. Take the survey. Leave a review. Let us know how we did. Did we meet your expectations? Complete a 2-minute survey. Yes, I'll share my experience. Email CTAs for exclusive offers. Have an exclusive sale you know your customers don't want to miss. Get them shopping with these call to actions. Shop at 30% off. Get free shipping, reveal my mystery offer, claim my birthday gift. Now here are some additional tips for effective CTAs. We looked at some specific examples, but these are just a few of them. You should experiment with creating your own CTAs. Here are some tips for creating your own effective calls to action. Find the most strategic location. Always place your CTAs where your reader will already be convinced and ready to take the next step. 2. Appeal to your audience's FOMO. Use words that incite a sense of urgency and let your readers feel they'll miss out on a good deal if they don't act fast. For example, shop 20% off today only. 3. Highlight your brand's unique selling props. If values are a huge part of your brand identity and marketing messaging, use them to drive your subscribers to action. For example, order now to help the whales. 4. Make it relatable. Consider using first-person phrasing to make your CTAs more compelling. For example, claim my free gift. This makes your call to action clearer and more relatable to your reader. It also gives them a feeling of control. 5. Test and improve. Experiment with different types of CTAs and use A/B testing methods to identify what works best for your audience. A good email marketing software should help you perform systematic split testing and segment your customers for optimal conversions. Improving click rates through effective calls to action can mean the difference between increasing sales and flatlining as a business. To write good email CTAs, use language that's relevant to your brand and uses actionable words that clearly state the action you want your readers to take. Once you've mastered how to write call to action phrases that spur your readers to action, your email campaigns will drive much more revenue and pave the way for sustainable growth. If you need help with CTAs, Omnisend gives you access to professionally designed templates that make your email calls to action easy to see and act upon. So join the 70,000 other brands that trust Omnisend to help them grow by going to the video description, clicking the link, and signing up for a free Omnisend account. Go now.